Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing or not available on your account. If you can't find the Facebook dating feature, there are a few things you should check. First, make sure you are at least 18 years old. Facebook dating is only available to users who meet the minimum age requirement. If your Facebook profile shows that you are under 18, the feature will not appear. Next, check the age and status of your Facebook account. Facebook dating is generally available only to accounts that have been active and in good standing for more than 30 days. If your account is new, you may need to wait until it becomes eligible. Another thing to verify is your location. Facebook dating is not available in every country and region. If the feature is not supported where you live, it will not be visible in the Facebook app. You should also make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Facebook, and check whether an update is available. If you see an update button, install the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, restart your device and open Facebook again. This can help refresh the app and restore missing features. Thanks for watching.